Good morning. We're here doing a videotape demonstration of our Ryobi 924D. This is a 4-color with coder. I'm at the customer's location here, and our pressman's going to do plate changes. I'm going to go ahead and videotape the whole operation here in case it's interesting to someone who might be interested in buying the machine. So, this machine features the high-grade feeder, which does have pallet load. The RMGT or Ryobi 9 series has dual air tapes on the feed board. It's a mechanical pull guide register system. So that's a bearing on top of a bearing with that little slow down wheel just before to hold that sheet in place. Kind of a unique thing on this press is that the two air pistons that I'm pointing at will actually come down and stop a sheet back from going through the press if there's some kind of a problem. You have two air change positions right there, those two black dials. You can skew the sheet from either the operator side or the non-operator side. And right over there is the timing handle. So if an operator discovers that a sheet is arriving too early or too late, just by turning that dial, they can adjust the feeder timing automatically. And these two dials allow for skew, and then also, I think this is for side blow on the press. So, right here is going to be your Bernoullis up on the lead edge. You can see those little slits right there. Those keep the sheet down as the swing gripper's doing its job. So while we've been talking, we've seen, I guess, 2 of the plates go on. I'm going to move past our pressman and let you all watch the 4th plate go on. Let's see if I can be here at the right time. No. So the Ryobi 9 series, this is a 2011 machine, and this one features the semi-auto plate load. So as you see, the pressman just set the plate down over the pins and pressed a button. We've already got the plate in the gates here. And as soon as that one's completed, now it's safe to move on to the next unit. There we go. So you'll be able to watch the old plate come off. It snaps out. Guided out by the operator. Works from the operator side. His next job is to drop the plate down over the pins. You may be able to see there. There we go. Over the pins. And once he presses that button, the machine's going to automatically mount the plate, tuck in the tail. It just gathers the 4 plates from the previous job and set those over on the recycling. We're now at 3 minutes and 25 seconds, and so that would show that, pretty repeatably in about 4 minutes you can change all 4 plates on an RMGT 9 series. Now he's going to go ahead and start up his feeder. We're running what they call 130 GSM stock. This is basically between 70 and 80 pound. Today's job is going to be, I think, 2-sided sheetwise. We're not going to stay for all of that, but just to be able to watch a portion of it happen. As I said, we're now right at 4 minutes. Just going to make sure his feeder's set up. I think he mentioned that the job from last Friday was a bit thicker stock. So let me step behind here and you can observe whatever adjustments might need to be made. One really nice thing with this feeder is that you have these numeric scales. So once a pressman learns what setting is good for what stock, they're able to come back to those settings they're using those numbers. So that was to set the double sheet detector. Got his wheels in the right spot. Particular shop likes to do their make-readies right at about 10,000 an hour. So again, this machine has a four-color with aqueous coater. It's the Harrison Bruno style. I'll go into some details about shortly. Next step is to do a first pull. You can see this is quite a ganged up sheet. You may notice that this is an all Ryobi shop. They have a Ryobi 750 over there that I believe was their first machine. And they bought the 920. They're moving up to a larger press. Making a couple of register moves, as you can see. Those come in quite quickly. The machine features the PDSE scanner